Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you don't waste time later. First, make sure Windows and Voicemod versions meet minimum requirements and reboot if needed. This clears driver locks. Once done, close any apps that grab audio exclusively and disable exclusive mode in Windows sound settings to prevent conflicts. Make sure your microphone is physically connected, selected as the system input device, and not muted, because Voicemod can't route audio from a disabled source. You now configure Voicemod's routing so audio flows correctly. In Voicemod settings, set input to your physical microphone and output to your speakers or headphones, then enable the Voicemod virtual audio device. This virtual device is what other apps must use to receive processed audio. After changing these options, restart Voicemod to apply driver registrations. Then, open the app you'll use, Discord, OBS, or Game, and reselect the Voicemod virtual device there, so the processed voice is actually transmitted. To finish, verify the setup by using Voicemod's built-in mic tester and recording a short clip. Listen for processed output and latency. If you still see a setup error, reinstall audio drivers and Voicemod while running the installer as administrator to ensure drivers and virtual devices register correctly. Make sure the target app has microphone permission in Windows privacy settings. One key troubleshooting tip: run the Windows Sound Troubleshooter. Many conflicts are resolved automatically, and it pinpoints which device is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.